Beginner's Guide to Using Gmail. In today's video, we will be learning about the basic requisites of how you can use the Gmail service. This is of course assuming that you have already went ahead and then created a Google account. Along with it, your Gmail account will be created automatically and you go to google or gmail.com. Once you're here, the first thing we're going to learn is how to send an email or compose an email. To get started, click on the compose icon located towards the top left corner of the screen. Select the person or the recipient to whom you'd like to send this email. It could be Gmail service or any of the other email service. Simply choose a subject for that email. Once done, now you can go ahead and enter the main body or the text of the email like a description. So you could get started with however you want your email to be able to sound. If you'd like to attach files to your email, you could just click on this link icon over here to click on Attach Files and select a file from your device. You could attach from Google Drive, attach your photos, you could toggle on confidential mode, which is going to encrypt the email, and you can choose other options. You can even change the text format, and when you're done, you can click the send button. This is how you can send it. The emails that you receive will be categorized into multiple categories. The first will be the primary emails. The second will be promotions that will most likely be just subscription-based messages. You'll also have social related to your social medias, and you'll also have updates like a newsletter or anything. Sometimes you might not receive an email. That could be because the email might have been sent to spam folder. You can try to check the spam folder to see if the email that you're looking for is over here. If over the years your email has compiled too much, you can select all of these emails and click on this trash icon or the delete button to delete it. That is all for today's video as a complete beginner on how you can begin using Gmail. This was it just for the basic tutorial. If you'd like to see a much more advanced tutorial, do make sure to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.